Okay. So can you tell me the golden rule for nominal accounts?
Nominal account. 1 second. Debit all expenses and losses, credit all gains and incomes.
Okay. So do you work on reconciliations as well?
I work on reconciliations only for fixed assets. Like fixed assets reconciliations are little different from all other reconciliations, like bank reconciliation, AR/AP reconciliations, and general reconciliation. How we make fixed asset reconciliation? We have fixed assets accounts for all the assets. Like on a any particular account will create the difference. 160,000 account is like one account, so it is creating difference, so it will show on black line. So how we need to make it will creating difference variance. So we will compare TB with SL, subledger. So if a client made any accrual entry, or these things create variance in fixed asset recons. So we just need to compare TB with subledger, and we need to find that difference. Like these, we make the recons of fixed assets.
Okay, so how much amount we should capitalize? Is this decision is made by offshore by your team or client suggests you?
Capitalize, how we capitalize fixed assets. We receive a capitalization form from the client. So, like all the estimations, all the category of fixed assets, like life of fixed assets, all the things will provided by the client. We just need to put all the data in Oracle. How we capitalize the fixed assets, and after that, like after capitalization, there are a lot of things like asset management, asset listing, that related to capitalization of assets. After that, we made stat file, that is also related to capitalization of fixed assets. So firstly we need to put that asset in Oracle, and after that we need to make all the things related to that capitalization. But all the estimation and all the datas related to capitalization will be provided by the client.
Okay. Can you walk me through the asset addition process?
Yeah, sure. We receive the form. Firstly, we need to do the checkpoints, like life of the assets. Like we have a few tabs in the asset addition form. There is one tab, asset profile and life. So we need to compare that life which is given by the client is matched with the asset profile and life. And if it is not matched, or if it is like a variation, so we need to get any confirmation from the client over email. And we check date in service. It should be like current year, and month can be variant. If we are doing in Fab, it can be January also. So, and if GL string is provided by client, we take that. And there must be tag number for fixed assets machinery, and in software case we can avoid tag number. And all these things we need to check, and then we put it in Oracle, all the data. Firstly we need to put tag number, serial number, description, AFE number, category, date, and all this.
Okay. Just one feedback from my side on your CV. You have, used the paragraph format. I would suggest instead of this, you should use pointers. And even, if you see the spacing errors, there are few spacing error I can see. So I would
Okay.
suggest make changes and correct them. Because what happens sometimes is like the applications is accepted by ATS, and
Yeah.
it might not read it properly.
Okay.
Yeah,
Thank you.
so that would be
I I
yeah,
have a question.
yeah. Please tell me.
Uh, yeah, my friend, one of my friend was told me that CV must be in one pager. So can I make it in 2 page, or it must be in
So
one pager?
there is no such rule that CV should be in one page only. It can
Okay.
go up to 2 pages, but yeah, we should not drag so many pages like some people kind of write books of CV. So we should
Okay.
not do that. Only like, let's suppose if you have so many activities which you are doing, So based on the job for which you are applying, keep only those activities there which are relevant for that particular job.
Okay,
Yeah. So
got it.
because anyone who is hiring, they will be looking for someone who can, work on the activities for which they are hiring. Let's suppose if someone will hire in your team, they will look for someone who can do good activities, good, in a better way in fixed assets.
Yeah.
So if I'm sharing my bank reconciliation experience as well, they want, that is not useful for them.
Yeah, right,
Yeah.
right.
So based on that, you can, for particular role for which you are applying, based on that, you can tweak your CVs.
Sure.
Okay. Okay. So how much would you rate yourself in Excel?
Excel 7.
Okay. Can you name few of the functions you use in Excel?
Like I use VLOOKUP and all the like special paste and all like applying filter, removing filter, and
What about pivot tables?
yeah, I know pivot table also.
Okay. Okay. So do you know what is accrual?
Yeah, I know what is accrual. Like any expense we we are recording. Why we do accruals? Accruals we do for the correct correct accounting recording, correct accounting the expense which is related to that month will be shown in that month only. Do not go for like another month. So like if any expense which we need to make yet to be paid, but we recorded in the books in like current month.
Okay, we can say due but not paid, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the difference between cash method and accrual method?
Cash method and accrual method. Accrual method will be show the correct value of like income and expenses. Cash method will not be showing the correct value.
Okay. So what are the 2 things you learned in your current role which you think might help you if we hire you today in performing your activities well in this role?
Things I learned.
Yeah.
Like uh, mm, I learned Excel a lot in Accenture.
Okay.
And like there is lot of pressure in month end.